Hi, this is Liz. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's my first one on YouTube. I've never unboxed, but I've watched so many unboxings and I can't believe I'm actually getting a chance to do my own. But today's unboxing is something that I have seen many times unboxed here on YouTube. And every time I saw it unboxed, I'm like, oh, I love that bag. And to be honest, I haven't been really tempted by Louis Vuitton in a while. So the fact that this bag kept showing up, all the unboxings I saw, and then when I finally went to the Louis Vuitton store, it was available. I almost feel like it was meant to be because I did have a list of different items that I was interested in looking at. Now, I live in Puerto Rico, so we went to the San Juan Mall, which is our premium or luxury mall here in Puerto Rico. This is the mall that you will go to if you're interested in looking at Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Versace, Jimmy Choo. This is the place, and it also has a Nordstrom, but our Nordstrom is still closed. This is the place you're gonna go to get your luxury goods. So this is where I went with my husband on Sunday. We decided we were gonna go have lunch and check out the Louis Vuitton store. And I had some bags in my mind. I love my Alma BB so much, the one I picked up in Paris. And I was thinking maybe I'll get the empreinte leather in the black or perhaps in the red, because the black kind of reminds me of the Coco handle bag, which I love, but it's at a much better price point. So I went with this in mind, like, let me check out a few bags. And as I entered the store, of course, what's staring me right in the face? What I'm gonna reveal to you. Can any of you put a comment down below to tell me which bag do you think I chose? It's a good one. It's a really good one. Anyway, when we arrived at the Louis Vuitton store, there was a line. You had to stand in line and you had to wait, because I believe now their protocol is that they want a sales associate to remain with you the entire time you're there to answer any questions, and I guess maybe avoid you touching too many things. I'm not sure, but we all had to wear a mask. The employees wore masks, we wore masks, and one person stayed with you the entire time. Now, I will have to say that the person was really helpful. Everything that I wanted to see, she did let me see. But a tiny bit, I felt like rushed because there was a line of people waiting outside of about 5 more when I walked in. So you kind of had this sense of urgency, like, okay, what is it that you want? What are you deciding? Get it, because time is ticking. The line is there. Okay, with all of that said, let me stop talking and let me reveal what I purchased. Okay, this is the item right here. And like I said, I've seen it many times unboxed here on YouTube. And every time I saw it, I was like, I have to have that bag. It's so beautiful. It reminds me of a dessert. It reminds me of something yummy. Well, let me unbox it and show you. Okay, this is my receipt. The bag is $25.40, but in Puerto Rico we have very high tax of 11.5, so it was a little steeper than expected. Okay, so it came like this. The beauty of it all. And I feel sad to have to untie it, but let's go. Let's untie it and let's see what's in. Let's reveal what was my desire every time I watched YouTube. Okay, one clue. It's not from the new Game On collection. They didn't even have that at my store. I don't know why. You ready? It's the Vanity PM. And the dessert I'm saying it looks like is a Reese's peanut butter cup. Doesn't it look so yummy, even with this top? I'm in love with this. So beautiful. I'm gonna also give you some mod shots. I'm 5'2", that way you can see what it looks like on my frame. But the strap hangs in a perfect spot for us 5'2" girls. So it's top handle as well. It comes with a little lock. The tabs here are black leather, which I love, so you don't have to worry about your hands changing the color of the pale leather that it usually comes with. It has the LV on the cachette, black handle. It has this black trim that goes all around, and it has the black trim on the bottom. So it's a reverse monogram. It has the 4 little feet, reverse monogram, and then regular mono. And all of the hardware is in gold. So beautiful. Now, let me open it so we can see what it looks like on the inside. And it was the only one in the store. Do they always say that? Or was it really the only one? I don't know. See, like, oh, look how cute. The tiniest little dust bag. This is for the lock. And these are all the little pieces that came in here. Okay, it says Vanity PM, reverse monogram. I'll show you, it's 2540. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but that's that. And I'll also give you more details in the description box as far as dimensions and any other information I can provide. I'll go ahead and do that. It also comes with these little pieces here. The inside of the bag is like a black micro suede, and it says made in Italy. Now, I saw that other YouTubers have purchased an organizer. I'm not sure if I'll do that. It really depends on how much I feel it needs to be organized. But I see this as a fun bag that I can style both with my neutral colors and as well as my black outfits, because it has it all in there. And like I said, I hadn't been excited about a Louis Vuitton bag in a while, but this one had me going. Every time I saw it, I was like, oh, I want that bag, I want that bag. I think what was holding me back was the fact that I wasn't traveling anywhere. So usually when you travel, you can get a deduction. You get a little bit of a more discounted price. So I kept saying, you know, Puerto Rico is the worst place to buy a luxury bag because of that 11.5% tax. But I have, you know, a little savings that I have been putting away for a new bag, and I cashed in that savings for this guy. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And this is the strap that it comes with. Now, I don't know why. Does anybody else feel the same way? But it's kind of giving me like Chanel vibes. A little leather strap sewn into the gold. And it has these little clamps here. You can see that. So you can decide if you want to wear it with or without, which is nice. You know, you don't always have to keep that on. You have options. Then you can also play with other straps if you want to switch it up, make more of a fun strap. I see a lot of people attaching pearl straps. The place that I usually find nice straps is eBay or even Etsy. You can find fun straps to play with your look of your bag, so you can have a different look. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down, and that way I can close it, and I'll show it what it looks like with this strap. This is what it looks like with the strap, and look at that. Doesn't it look like a Reese's peanut butter cup? That color on top. And I don't know, I thought it was going to be a little bit more flimsy, but it's not. Look at that. I'm holding it, and I thought it would be more like a speedy where it kind of collapses in, but it holds its shape pretty well. I know that you can put an organizer in there if that's what you like, but on its own, it's doing fine. Look at that. And this is what it looks like with the chain. And I am going to cut away right now and show you some modeling shots so you can get an idea of what it looks like on a 5'2" frame. What did you think about my new bag? I'm excited. I'm so happy that I was able to get it. I feel like it's exactly what I wanted. It's exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to bring in a monogram piece without the worry of the handles patinaing and looking old and looking dirty way too soon. So for me, this is a perfect marriage of being able to carry a monogram Louis Vuitton bag without the worry of all the colors turning and not looking its best. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like what you saw, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe. If you like more fashion, a little bit of luxury, and some lifestyle, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.